Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will discuss the numerical problems of chapter number 1, that is on page number 28 of your book. So the statement of first numerical is write number in prefix of to power of 10. A. Mechanical nano oscillators can detect a mass change as small as 10 power minus 21 kilogram. B. The nearest neutron star, a collapsed star made primarily of neutrons, is about 3.00 into 10 power 18 meter away from Earth. And C. Earth to Sun distance is 149.6 million kilometer. So according to this statement, the given data will be mass m is equal to 10 power minus 21 kilogram, whereas we have to find out the mass in prefix. So for that, the solution is, we know that mass m is equal to 10 power minus 21 kilogram, as kilo means 10 power 3. Kilo is the prefix which represents 10 power 3 or 1000. Therefore, m is equal to 10 power minus 21 into 10 power 3 gram, which is equal to 10 power, bases are common, therefore powers must be added. So 10 raised to the power minus 21 plus 3. Here we get m is equal to 10 power minus 18 gram. As we know that 10 power minus 18 is the prefix which shows the word atto. Therefore, m is equal to 1 attogram. So, replace 10 power minus 18 as atto and we get 1 attogram. So, for part B, the given data is the distance which is given, that is 3.00 into 10 power 18 meter. And we have to find out the distance in prefix. Therefore, we get distance is equal to 3.00 into 10 power 18 meter. As exa means, exa shows 10 power 18. Therefore, the distance is equal to 3.00. The 10 power 18 is replaced by exa. Therefore, we get 3 exameter. This is so simple. And now for third part, the given data is distance which is equal to 149.6 million kilometer. Now we have to find out the distance in prefix. Therefore, the solution is, as million shows 10 power 6 and kilo shows 10 power 3. Therefore, we will replace million and kilo by 10 power 6 and 10 power 3. Then we get 149.6 into 10 power 6 instead of million and 10 power 3 instead of kilo. Therefore, we write only meter. Here 149.6, the bases are common, so we will write it first at once, 10, and powers are added, 6 plus 3. We get 149.6 into 10 power 9 meter. As in case of the prefixes, 10 power 9 is the prefix which shows the word giga. Therefore, we will replace 10 power 9 as giga and we get 149.6 gigameter. After that, we will write the result. So, for part A, the mass in prefix is 1 attogram. For part B, the distance in prefix is 3 exameter. And for part C, the distance in prefix is 149.6 gigameter. I hope you understand. Now, the second numerical is the statement is an angstrom, the symbol A dot degree. This is the symbol of angstrom. It's a unit of length commonly used in atomic physics, defined as 10 power minus 10 meter, which is of the order of the diameter of an atom. Part A, how many nanometers are in 1.0 angstrom? And part B, how many femtometers or fermis, the common unit of length in nuclear physics, are in 1.0 angstrom? And for part C, how many angstrom are there in 1.0 meter. Now for with the help of this statement, we will write the given data, that is 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. This is the relation which is given to us in the statement. Now for required data, now we have to find out the nanometer in angstrom, in 1 angstrom, femtometers in 1 angstrom, and 1 angstrom in 1 meter. Now we have to find out all these three parts. So we will solve it one by one. Now for part 1, for part A, the nanometers in angstrom, we have to convert how many nanometers are there in 1 angstrom. As nano shows 10 power minus 9, therefore 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. So we will split it. So 10 power minus 1 multiply by 10 power minus 9. 10 power minus 9 shows the word nano. Therefore we will replace it and we get 10 power minus 1 nanometer, which is equal to 0.1 nanometer. Now part B, how many femtometers are there in 1 angstrom? As femto shows 10 power minus 15, this is also a prefix, and now 1 angstrom is equal to, as we know, 10 power minus 10 meter. So multiply and divide by 10 power minus 5 and we get 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 multiply 10 power minus 5 divided by 10 power minus 5 meter. We get 10 power minus 10 taken as common, so minus 10 plus or minus 5 we get minus 15, and 10 power minus 5 is converted into 10 power plus 5 when it will be converted into multiplication instead of division. Then we get 10 power minus 15 multiply 10 power minus 10 power plus 5. So 10 taken as common and powers should be added, so we get 10 power 5 femtometer. Why? Because 10 power minus 15 shows the prefix femto. So 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power 5 femtometer. Now for part C, how many angstroms in 1 meter? As 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter, and we have to convert, we have to find out that how many angstrom are there in 1 meter. So we will write below 1 angstrom is x, that we have to find out, and 10 power minus 10, below 10 power minus 10 we will write 1 meter. By cross multiplication we get x multiplied 10 power minus 10 meter is equal to 1 angstrom into 1 meter. We get x is equal to 1 angstrom into 1 meter divided by 10 power minus 10 meter, and we will get x is equal to 10 power 10 angstrom. So as a result we get that 0.1 nanometers are in 1 angstrom, and part B 10 power 5 femtometers are in 1 angstrom, and for part C the 10 power 10 angstrom in 1 meter. Now numerical number 3, and the statement is the speed of light that is represented by small c, which is equal to 299 792, 458 meter per second. Part A, write this value in scientific notation, and part B, express the speed of light to number 1 5 significant figures and number 2 3 significant figures. So for this we have to we have to recall our significant figures, the rules which we used to find out how many significant figures are in the numbers. So we will start our solution. So for the statement, with the help of the statement, we have the given data, that is the speed of light c is equal to 299 792 458 meter per second, and we have to find out number A, speed of light in scientific notation, part B, speed of light to 5 significant figures, and part C, speed of light to 3 significant figures, for which we have formula n is equal to n into 10 power n. So for first of all we have to solve the part A, the speed of light in scientific notation, where n is equal to m into 10 power n. So putting the values in the formula, we get c is equal to 299 792 458.0 into 10 power 0 meter per second, and we will move the decimal after 8 to after the first digit, that is 2. So we will get 2.99 792 458 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, because we jump 8 digits towards left. So we will put positive sign with the power. Part B, the speed of the light to 5 significant figures. Then we have 2.9979 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Part C, the speed of light to 3 significant figures. So we will write only 3 significant digits. So we will write only 3 significant digits, that is 2.99 into 10 power 8 meter per second, which we can also round off and write 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. As a result, we get part A, speed of light in scientific notation, c is equal to 2.99792 458 into 10 power 8 meter per second. For part B, the result is the speed of light to 5 significant figures. Then we have 5 digits, that is 2.9979 into 10 power 8 meter per second. And for part C, the result is the speed of light to 3 significant figure is 3.00 or 2.99 into 10 power 8 meter per second. I hope you understand all the numericals very well. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Allah Hafiz.